In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a job to a customer in QuickBooks Online. If you're managing multiple projects or jobs for your clients, you'll find this feature incredibly handy. It helps keep your records neat and organized, ensuring every job has its corresponding details stored correctly in your QuickBooks account. To get started, you'll first need to open the QuickBooks website. Make sure you've logged into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, take a look at the navigation menu and find the option labeled My Apps. Click on this to proceed. This is where you can access all the different functionalities that QuickBooks offers. Next, you'll want to navigate to what QuickBooks calls the Customer Hub. Click on the Customer Hub button. This is your go-to place for managing all your customer-related data. Here, you can view a list of your clients, including those who've had jobs or projects completed in the past and those with ongoing jobs. Now the next step is to select the customer to whom you want to add a job. Look through your list and select the specific customer by clicking on their name. This will bring up their detailed information page. When you've accessed the customer's profile, look for the Edit button. Click on it to enable the editing mode. This is where you'll be able to make changes or additions to their information. Now, you'll want to input the company name under their job. This step is crucial as it helps clearly identify which job belongs to which customer, preventing any future mix-ups. As you scroll down, you'll see several fields available for entry. It's important to fill in these other fields with any relevant details or specifics about the job you're adding. Be as thorough as possible to ensure clarity. An essential box to check here is the This is a sub-customer option. By marking this, you're essentially linking this job to the main profile of the customer, categorizing the new job as an extension of their existing account. This step is particularly helpful in maintaining an overarching view of all the jobs tied to a single customer. Once you've carefully completed all the necessary fields and checked the appropriate options, take a moment to review all the information you've entered. It's always a good idea to double-check for accuracy and completeness. When you're confident everything is in order, click Save to store all the changes you've made. This final step will ensure that everything is securely recorded in your QuickBooks Online account. And there you have it. You've successfully added a job to a customer in QuickBooks Online. This process not only keeps your customer data organized, but also enhances your ability to track multiple jobs, making your workflow that much smoother. Keep these steps handy for the next time you need to manage your customers' projects efficiently. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.